Markets are dropping and they're dropping fast. But the question everyone is asking is this a nice dip buy opportunity or is the top officially in? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBet Solutions. And yes, markets are trading lower today. The NASDAQ market, after hitting new all-time highs of 700, what exactly is being shared and causing the market to sell off? The same thing that propped up the markets yesterday, now again, today, got rejected. So Trump announced that a deal was going to happen between Iran and the US for the 6th week in a row. Today, we got confirmation that Iran has rejected Trump's Strait of Hormuz deal as unrealistic. What's new, right? Not good for markets, causing markets to drop. On top of that, we are receiving news that foreclosure filings have jumped to 6-year highs as rising property taxes, insurance costs, and debt strains U.S. homeowners. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. This is not good for the housing market in any way, right? On top of that, Whirlpool CFO says that appliance demand hasn't been this low since the great financial crisis. I think a lot of us can see that there are a few companies, especially in the AI or semiconductor space, that are thriving. But other than that, everything else really seems to be lagging. There's a lack of demand, especially with consumer sentiment so low. So this really doesn't surprise me. With that being said, again, we've said it before, the stock market is not a representation of how the average American is doing, nor our economy. No rate cuts projected for 2026. Oil prices are surging, highest inflation in the last 2 years. Geopolitical risks are rising, but the markets are at all-time highs. And I don't want to be a conspiracy theorist, but have you guys heard of that virus that has currently infected a few people? I think 3 people, unfortunately, have died already. It's like the whole COVID pandemic case all over again as we're trading at all-time highs. Will it drive markets lower if we go into a shutdown? And then will the Federal Reserve jump in, start printing and injecting money into the market and aggressively cut rates? We'll see. I'm paying very close attention to the market. And again, I want to make sure that you are too. Irene, CoreWeave, Opendoor, Coinbase, Affirm, and SoundHound are all reporting earnings today after the markets close. I'm trying to play it super safe. I've closed my position on SNDQ, which is the inverse ETF of SanDisk. Again, markets have been more bullish than bearish, so just choosing to play it safe. If you're part of my LPP team, you would have seen this trade and you would have gotten all of my trade updates. $7,800 on the day. I'm so incredibly grateful for it. And I close it out, fully closed out. Why? Tomorrow, I was thinking about hosting a free live trading session for you guys. For those that are not yet part of my LPP team, but are maybe thinking about joining. Again, if you would like me to, all I literally ask you to do is get this video to over 500 likes. I just want to make sure enough of you show up. When is it? Right at market open tomorrow, and we'll go live for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you tune on in and you like what it is that you see, we'll have one of our biggest discounts that we offer. So again, if you're even thinking about joining LPP, it would be a great time for you to tune on in. If you're already an LPP, go back and rewatch, if you haven't already, today's live session. I really do think that you will enjoy it, and it prepped for just a really solid trade with this. Other than that, again, we're kind of just waiting to see what happens with the NASDAQ market. Are we actually going to see a break of support and begin to sell off, or are markets going to just prop up higher? I think a lot of that will have to do with 2 things. What's going on in the Middle East, but also the series of companies that are reporting earnings and if they actually come below market's expectation. I'll make sure that I do my part in keeping you guys up to date. I wanted to keep today's video super short and sweet. So again, if you are invested in any of these companies that are reporting earnings today, please make sure that you are not over leveraged during a very volatile time and a very uncertain time. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or send me a message via Instagram, which is linked in the description below. Remember, I am verified on Instagram. I only have one account. All the other ones are fake. I will never send you a friend request, and I will never message you asking to invest for you. I don't do any of that. I only trade live with my LPP team. That is the only service I offer. And if you want to learn more about it, it's the second link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team, and happy Thursday.